+252 613 868564 plus laba shan labo lix hal sedex sideetan iyo lix sideetan iyo shan lixdan iyo afar. Before you start the video, try to get the detailed free PDF file on the description. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to tell the phone number in Somali language. First, you will learn a very good phrase that you can ask somebody's phone number in Somali. Then, you'll learn how to tell your phone number in Somali. If you're new here, I am Abdirahman Abzi, the Somali native tutor, and I would really love your support. Let's get started. How to ask somebody's phone number in Somali. Phrase 1. Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Phrase 2. Walaal ii yeeri nambarkaaga. Walaal ii yeeri nambarkaaga. Or if you're going to ask a phone number a specific person, Abdi ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Abdi ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Aisha ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Aisha ii sheeg nambarkaaga. And that's how you can ask a specific name or a specific male or female the phone number. How to tell your phone number in Somali. Imagine someone says to you, Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Then this is the best way you can say in Somali. We have this sample Somali phone number to practice with it. +252 613 868564. Remember, when you're in Somalia, you don't have to mention the country code, which is +252. So, instead of the country code, we use 061. This is very important to know. 061 is a permanent code or number. That means any Somali phone number starts with 061. That's why when somebody asks you phone number, you should start the next number to 061, which is your unique key. So unique key means the number next to the permanent code, which is 061, and the unique code is the next number. For now, we have this number 0613 868564. 061 is permanent key and 3 is unique key. The unique keys can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. In this case, this phone number's unique key is 3. 868564 is your 6-digit number. Now let's say the number in Somali. 0613 868564. The question is, Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga. Furaha waa 3 sideetan iyo lix sideetan iyo shan lixdan iyo afar. The most important you should know is when you're telling phone number in Somali, you will say by 2 digits, not the way we read in English like 256212. In Somali we read by 2 digits, 256212. If you're still confusing how I'm telling the numbers in Somali, make sure to watch the Somali numbers from 0 to 1 billion in the description. Let's say one more number in Somali. Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga. 0610724858. Furaha waa eber 72 48 58. So when somebody asks you, Walaal ii sheeg nambarkaaga, you should start furaha waa and then your key number. Furaha waa means the key is. So your key is the next number 061. In this number 061, the next number is 0. So that's why we say furaha waa eber. If the next number is 5, you would say furaha waa shan. So that's how you can read or you can say a phone number in Somali. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope this lesson was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to write on the comment section. Nabadgelyo for now, and see you in the next one.